Welcome to the Money Market Fund weekly review show, and as usual we shall also look at the fixed income funds and the United States dollar money market fund. And today we're going to look at results as at the end of August. How did our money perform? Mwezi imeisha, now we're moving to a new month, and because this platform has been very instrumental in encouraging very many people to open accounts, so far kuna wale tulianza from the beginning of the year, some of them kutoka last year. I'd like us to take a moment in the comment section and write one thing about the company that you've invested in that has made you enjoy the journey so far, and through your comment itakuwa encourage someone else to open an account. Kuna wengine bado mpaka right now they're still weighing kuona, hey, let me see how these things goes. And now to get us started need the fixed income funds. As you can see, the leading company had 16.87%, and the last company on the list ambao ni Orient iko na 11.09%, which was a slight increase. As you can see from that list over there, 5 companies in the fixed income funds wako in green, and we said green zinamaanisha they had a slight increase from the last review that we did last week, and 4 companies had a slight decline. I will also briefly explain at some point why tuna experience the decline at the moment. And when we come to the United States dollar money market fund, as you can see, the leading company is at 7.14%, and it is Kuza Money Market Fund, whereby 4 companies are in green. It means they had a slight increase. Alafu hizo zingine zote za grey zili maintain what they had posted last week, and the reds walifanya kudecline kidogo from what they had posted in the previous review that we did. NCBA is still ndio iko pale mwisho kabisa imeshikilia. Of course we had said it's fixed income, so we won't judge them. But then number 10 is KCB Money Market Fund at 4.82%. And last but not least, the money market fund in the Kenyan shilling, unaweza notice that the average is still doing very well. It is in green, which means that whatever we had posted last week, this week hata imeperform slightly better than what we had the previous review that we did. Be it as it may, several companies ziko in the red, especially the leading companies up from number 1 to number 5. They did not have growth, and I'll tell you shortly why this is what we're experiencing. And I think in the coming few weeks, unless the markets change, we are not going to be seeing the 18%. Most probably the leading companies will be doing 17-16%, and in money market funds this is something that you're supposed to expect, because you see money market funds zina respond to what the market is offering. Last company on the list today is Equity Money Market Fund. Over here nitasonga, utapata screenshot clear in a short while, where they dropped from 13.06 wakakuja 12%. So for the first time tuko na company giving 12%. All in all, the average is still doing so much better at 15 point plus, and looking at most of the companies playing above 14%, that is from number 19 onwards, zote zina play above 14%. This means that still uko na an opportunity to earn very good returns in relation to the inflation rate, which we're about to look at in a short while. And as you can see over here, the 91-day Treasury bill ilifunga na 15.78%. The 182 days one ilifunga na 16.63%, and then the 364 ama 1 year one ilifunga na 16.84%. As you can see, the average is still above 15%. So bado mambo ni mazuri. And now that we have moved into a new month, as you can see, the inflation imeadjust slightly upwards, ilikuwa 4.3% for the month of July, na August recorded a 4.4%, slight increase hapa na pale. And this brings me to the part where we're talking about how comes the rates are looking red, how comes zimeanza kushuka chini. So you see we are getting to a place whereby the rates, so angalia, we are getting like 15%, 16%, hakuna zile ma 18 ma 19%. So for a company that is actively getting more money coming in, the money has to be invested, and when this money is invested, lazima ikuwe in places where it is getting a slightly lower return than what they were getting before. And remember, it has to balance. So kama mnapata 15% right now in the market, and previously ulikuwa umepata za 18%, then ita balance sasa, and you will get a median 16 or 17% thereabout. The beauty about the money market funds is that azinanga radical fall, lakini imeenda chini ama imeenda up, and you can never tell how tomorrow is going to be like. We'll be starting to talk about the real estate investment as an option to invest, so make sure subscribe, follow, so that you do not miss any of these upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching.